and Happy New Year. It's me, FlyLady Kat from A Better Life with Kat, and I'm here today and this year to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and this year to learn how to really finally love yourself. And today is Monday, and so it's a normal day that we would normally do things on, but not today because it's a holiday. So today you're just going to do your routines, and your kids are going to do their little routines. You don't have to get up before the kids today. If you don't have any place to go, then just take your time. It's one of those free mornings. Holidays are so special. You know, New Year's Day is a celebration for almost everyone all around the world. So I know you'll be celebrating today. You may have different foods and traditions and different celebrations that you do, but it's all celebrating a brand new start. What a wonderful feeling. So we are being refreshed with a brand new year with brand new intentions. And this year, I'd love for you to do your routines every day, your basic weekly plan, a different thing every day, and your zones, a different zone every week, and in that zone, a little bit of work 4 days out of the week. And that's what I'd like you to do. And that's if you're an at-home fly baby. If you're working, if you can do a little bit of that during the week, it will save your Saturday. And that's what I want for you with all my heart. I don't want you to have to work on Saturday, but it is your choice. All of these things are your choice. Another thing that I do as FlyLady Kat, which may not be something you want to do or even the FlyLady does, but I do this. When there's a holiday, if it doesn't fall on your free day, it's still a free day because it's a holiday. For me, the way my mind works is a holiday's an extra. It's a special. It's a wonderful. So when a holiday like Christmas or New Year's or the 4th of July falls in the middle of the week, then if that's not my free day, it's another free day. It's a holiday. And on the holiday, you just do your routine. So you're still going to do your morning routines. You're still going to do your after dinner routine. You're not going to do laundry today, and you're not going to do paper today, but you're going to do your before bed routine. It's also a time to think about your resolutions and think about what it is that you want this year. In the past, I've said I want peace to be my resolution, or I've wanted no more perfectionism to be my resolution. But this year, FlyLady Kat, her resolution, my resolution, that's so weird. My resolution is to be less of me and more of everyone else. So that's my gift to you this year and to my family and all those that I love and are so dear and special to me. Less of me this year and more of everyone else. All right, so I hope you have a great resolution. If you haven't thought about it, now's the time. Start planning your week, your year, you know, and have a wonderful, wonderful 2018. I love you, and I want you to be just really blessed this year. I want this to be a year that you make it a beautiful year and that you are beautiful. I love you. Happy 2018.